for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, security system, child safety locks, power door locks, MP3 player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.